Welcome! If you've ever streamed on Discord and wondered how to show invite links while using streamer mode on the web version, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to make sure your invite links are visible even when you're live. Let's get started. First, open up Discord right from your browser. You don't need to download anything extra, just head to the Discord website and log in as you normally would. Once you're in, look to the bottom left corner of your screen. There, you'll see your profile picture and username. Right next to that, there's a small gear icon. Click on it to open your user settings. Now scroll down the menu on the left side until you find the section labeled Streamer Mode. Give that a click. Streamer Mode is designed to help protect your privacy while you're streaming, but sometimes it hides things you actually want to share, like invite links for your community. Inside the Streamer Mode settings, you'll see a list of options that control what gets hidden when you go live. By default, Discord might hide invite links to keep your server safe from unwanted guests. But if you're ready to share your server with your viewers, you'll want to change this setting. Look for the option that says Hide Invite Links. If this is turned on, your invite links won't show up while you're streaming. To fix this, simply toggle off the Hide Invite Links option. Now, when you're in streamer mode, your invite links will be visible and easy to share with your audience. That's all there is to it. With these quick steps, you can confidently share your Discord invite links during your streams, making it easier for your viewers to join your community. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips and tricks for making the most out of Discord and your streaming setup. Thanks for watching.